Gus Schmidt back with a new trading video. So today I'm on the Pocket Option platform and I have my crypto OTCs set up here. So I'm going to be trading some crypto. So I'm going to be utilizing one indicator, and if you click on the indicator button here, you'll see I'm going to be trading OsMA. I'm going to be using the OsMA indicator, also known as the oscillator of moving average. Okay, so you click on that once, and this histogram shows up at the bottom of the chart here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna keep the default settings. We're not gonna change the settings. We're gonna keep the default settings: fast EMA period 12, slow EMA period 26, signal SMA period 9. Okay. In addition to that, I have my candlestick chart set to 1 minute candles, regular Japanese candles. Okay. And for my trade timer, I'm going to be taking 1 minute trades. So M1, 60-second trades. So I'm looking at 60-second candles while taking 60-second trades. Okay, so I'm going to pause the video and look for some setups. Okay, so I'm on Tron crypto right now. And the idea is we want the histogram line to be close to the zero line here. It's approaching the zero line. We have a strong bearish direction, so we're waiting for I'm going to wait for this candle. As long as this candle closes in the red, we're going to take a trade, a sell trade. So, okay, right there. See that? I just took the trade. I just took a sell trade and in the direction of the trend here. So let's monitor this trade, 60-second trade. The idea is get that histogram line close to the zero line before you take the trade, and you want to make sure that the candle closes in the same direction in the with the same color in the direction of the trend here, which is a bearish trend. Okay, so let's see how this goes. About 3 seconds left. Okay, good, so we won that trade. All right, I'm gonna pause the video and look for another setup. Okay, so I'm on ExxonMobil OTC, and I'm very close to the zero line on the histogram. So I wanted the candle to close. It was green, now it just turned red. So we're not going to take this trade. I was thinking that it was going to close green. So let's look for another setup. Okay, so I'm back on ExxonMobil. And if you see here, the histogram is right at the zero line. So if the candle closes green, I'm going to take a buy trade. So it's about 5 seconds left. As long as that candle closes in the green, all right. So I took a buy trade right there. All right. And what I'm suspecting is that the price there's a reversal occurring right here. And the price is going to push upward. So far, it's pushing upward. Wait for that candle. Wait for the histogram to be right at that zero line. And the current candle has to close in the same direction. All right. So far, so good. About 12 seconds left. Okay, so we won that trade. All right. Okay, so let me pause the video and look for another setup. Okay, I'm on Intel, same situation where near the histogram is near the zero line and there's a bearish trend occurring. So we want this candle, the current candle, to close red. If it doesn't close red, I won't take the trade. It's sort of trying to figure out. Um, okay, all right, you see that? The candle didn't close red, so I'm not going to take that trade. But let's pause the video and I'll probably come back to it and try again. Okay, so I'm back on Intel and you see this red bearish candle happening. We're close to the zero line here, so I'm waiting for this candle to close. Uh, Once the candle closes, I'm going to take a sell trade. You want to be at or near the zero line when you take the trade. All right. Okay, so I took the trade. I took a sell trade, anticipating that this strong bearish candle is the start of a bearish trend happening. We see the histogram starting to grow below the zero line there. So actually, I took a couple of trades. So let's monitor this trade. Okay, it's pushing down. The oscillator of moving average is a real powerful indicator. I just discovered it a couple of weeks ago. Uh, Histogram lines growing. Excellent, great. So all our trades won. I think I took two trades there. One left. Okay, so we won our trades. Okay.